Hi. If you have a hard disk or SSD connected to your computer which had Windows in it and you need the files now, then this video is going to help you a lot. My prior Windows C drive was a partition of the storage, but I need to get some of my files from here. If I go inside, you can see the folders are their only written program files and so on. Now, to get the files back, simply go inside the drive, come to User and find the username. Mine was Joseph. Simply go inside and finally all the files you had are here, like desktop, downloads, documents, etc. From here you can access all the files you need and take them wherever you want. So this is how you can simply use the files in the C drive even after it's not in use or used as a partition only. Hope this helped you, and please be with us and subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.